the statements that you issued were false. You admitted it and you apologized for it last hearing. Number two, you mentioned that your source is from Senate. And Celis, Mr. Celis, the law that you have just stated that you sought to use to protect your right and not to reveal your source apparently has been ruled cannot be applied. So therefore, I'm asking you again, dahil may kinalaman na may mabigat po ang kinalaman ang repercussions nito You're talking about interparliamentary relationships between the House of Representatives and between the Senate. And none other than the Senate President has already issued a statement about this. So I don't think you see the gravity of the statements that you have issued between both houses in Congress. Now, Mr. Celis, for the last time, please identify your source.
So therefore, Mr. Chair, under Section 11, the power to contempt, letter E, grounds for contempt is for a resource person refusal to answer any relevant inquiry. Actually, Mr. Chair, Mr. Celis has already violated two provisions of Section 11. The first one, acting in a disrespectful manner, and the second one, which is very more important rather, is his refusal to answer the question in a relevant inquiry. On this note, Mr. Chair, I move to contempt, to cite for contempt Mr. Celis for on these two grounds under Section 11. So move, Mr. Chair.
Second the motion.
Eric is cited for
Mr. Chairman, may I be recognized?
I ask the Sergeant of Arms to please take the...
Mr.
Humihiling siya na magsalita yung abogado para sa kanya. At itong pagkakulong nila ka Eric yan, dito sa basement ng Kongreso, ay ano lang ito, manifestation ito na nagtatagumpay sa kanilang propaganda war, yung CPP-NPA. Kung maririnig ito ng mga taga-Kongreso, sana may makapanood dito sa kanila, binibigyan din namin, hindi sila kalaban, hindi kami kalaban. Ang kalaban nandiyan sa loob, yung tatlong bugok na congressman. Yan dapat ang tanggalin ninyo at palayaan ninyo si Ka Eric at Dr. Lorraine sapagkat sila ang kakampi ng demokrasya. No? Ang pinaglalaban ni Dr. Lorraine at ni Ka Eric, kaya nakulong na yan, ilayo ninyo yan, kung kursunada niyo talagang ipasara ang SMNI, wala kaming pakialam doon, problema ninyo yun, no? Hindi namin alam kung anong ebidensya ninyo, kung ang gusto niyo ikaso sa SMNI. Pero si Ka Eric, bilang mamamahayag, bilang news anchor, wag po ninyong idamay. Maniwala kayo dito sa sinasabi ko. Para kayong kumukuha ng bato at pinupukpok sa inyong ulo. Ito po ay biglaan lamang sapagkat nalaman lang namin na si Ka Eric at si Dr. Lorraine ay mag-hunger strike ng alauna ng tanghali. Nang malaman po namin yan, mag-aalas 12 na. Kaya biglaan ito, ayaw naman namin na merong inilunsad na ganong aksyon sila Ka Eric habang nasa loob sila ng detention ng Kongreso nang wala kaming aksyon bilang mga kasama niya. Kailangan ba tayong makiusap sa Pangulo sapagkat itong ginagawa namin na to hindi kami sinusuweldohan ng gobyerno pero kami ang kanilang parang kami frontliner nila. sa laban against the CPP-NPA. No? Hindi lamang itong mga sundalo. Itong ginagawa namin na to. Inilalantad namin, no? Ang kasamaan ng CPP-NPA.